Hey y'all, it's June 23rd. It is voting day. I have done my deed. I hope you do yours. And it is also the second day of phase 2 opening here in New York City. So I am taking a trip into Manhattan and seeing what's up. I'm thinking about going over, starting on the west side and taking the High Line down to see how things have changed a little bit. I'd like you to come along with me. Let's go. So I'm here at Hudson Yards here in New York City, and even though we're in phase 2, which allows stores to open and allows people to go back into the stores to shop, the mall here, Hudson Yards, is not currently open. They're completely closed. And also I found it interesting that the vessel is also closed, even though it's completely open air. The beautiful installation here that you can go up inside of, that is also currently closed during this phase 2. I'm gonna go around the corner to see if possibly the Spanish market might be open. We'll see. Little Spain is open to outdoor dining here. Another thing I just discovered, the High Line is also closed. So even though that's completely open air, that is completely closed off. So there's no way to get up to that, unfortunately. However, Little Spain is open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. So I'm down here in the Meatpacking District, and it is fairly quiet. There are your coffee shops that are open, and then there's a handful of restaurants with some outdoor seating that are serving places like Pastis, Dos Caminos, Serafina over here. And then there's a few shops here and there that are open. Apple Store is open on the corner, allowing a limited amount of people to go in at one time. Places like Chelsea Market are not open. They do have a little part of it that is open for groceries, but the main concourse is not open currently. Really quiet around here. A lot of construction going on, but other than that, no. So I'm walking down Greenwich Avenue in the Village, and I honestly thought I'd see more places open with outdoor dining. There's not a lot here. Most places are still pick-up, takeout only. And then, you know, what about those restaurants that just have no possibility for outdoor dining? I mean, there's a huge percentage of those, so what do? It's tough. I'm gonna keep walking through the Village, see if I see anything interesting. So here we are, day 2 of phase 2 in New York City. I'm back in Astoria at the German restaurant Max's. What's it called? Max's something? Whatever. It's a German restaurant. Got my beer. Chilling outside. Social distanced from anybody else pretty much. And gonna enjoy a nice weinerschnitzel. Yeah. It's a hot summer day. I voted. Saw AOC in person. She was just up the street talking to all her constituents. Get them out there to vote. Not a bad day.
The featured dish today is the humble weinerschnitzel, a dish I fell in love with on my travels to Germany and Austria. A Germanic version of the katsu, if you will. It is made from pounding a piece of meat, usually veal, to an almost transparent thickness, then dipped in egg wash, dredged in breadcrumbs, and fried to a crisp. It is simple yet can be complex in both preparation and flavors. Try it with a dab of spicy mustard and wash it down with a lager. Here, it's served with gherkin salad, one of my favorites. It's a fresh salad of cucumbers, dill, onion, and sour cream, and the Munich version of a potato salad made with vinegar, oil, and parsley.
But walking through Manhattan, it's evident that there's still a long way to go for New York City to open up. Like, I wouldn't tell anybody to come to New York City right now. There's nothing to see, really, nothing to do. We're really not going to get there until we start moving into the next phases. And that's going to be, what, another 2 weeks, hopefully? But we'll have to see how the numbers go, I guess. Be safe.